Hey y'all, I got sent over a mobility scooter from Reyhee, Reyhee. I'm going to get it opened up and we're going to see what it has in here, and then we're going to take it for a ride. I've got it out here because this is a big box and it's pretty heavy, so I'm not really able to get it inside the house. So we're going to do it right here on the front porch where they delivered it. Looks like we're going to have some assembly to do. Not that big of a deal. Our seat, our basket, has your accessories and stuff in here. It is a little heavy. Might be better to cut the sides of the box and pull it out sideways. Box itself is pretty heavy. All right, let's see if we can get this assembled now. So the first step is to put the headlight on. That's right here. Has the keys right here. Let's go ahead and get those out of the way. Look, our headlight's gonna go right down here. Let me get an Allen wrench and we'll get to work there. So it does not come with tools. Now these do have Allen screws right here on the sides. You can see that right there. So if this headlight needs tightened up to keep it from falling down, you can tighten those up. Just get it adjusted where you need it. And our next step will be to put our handlebars up on the post right here. The steering assembly. Now you can adjust this if you need it down like that or more upright, however you need it. You'll put this in on the left side. You'll notice that this side is cut out for the bolt here. That will keep it locked into place. Put that down, tighten that up a little bit, and then you can adjust it. Well, I might have to loosen it off a little. There we go. Okay, that's an armrest. Cool, okay. Wasn't real sure what it was. There's a pin. You can adjust the height of the seat. Just pull that pin, put it where you need it, then put the pin back in. Okay, well, we'll put the seat on here now and continue on. Then you can tighten this up. Make sure you got it good and tight. There we go. And we'll put our armrest in right here. Loosen these off. Tighten that up. Then you can make these wider by just loosening that off. Just sliding it out if you needed it wider. Okay, the other knob goes on the seat post here. That'll keep it from moving around a little bit more. We'll get that put in there. Right here. Underneath the seat right here is going to be your charging port. This is where you will charge it. Right there. There's a little round rubber cap on it. Keep the moisture and dirt out of it. Has a battery level indicator, a slow and high speed dial, and a horn and your headlight button. Oh, we have power. I don't know if you'll be able to hear that. It's like a beep. See if the headlight works. Really bright. Oh yeah, you can see it. I don't know if y'all will be able to see it, but it came on. It does have a 2.5 inch ground clearance, so you won't be able to go over like high bumps, but you can go over smaller stuff. The seat height is 12.6 inches. The seat width is 17.5 inches. We are in action here. Here we go. Let's go ahead and put our basket on here before we get heading down the road. Has little catches right there, so it's removable. Just get it lined up and push it down. There you go. And if you have groceries or whatever in there, you can pick it up and carry them in.
That's a headlight. How do you make it go?
Push the arm forward, the handle forward. Handles the bumps really well.
Hello.
So you like that?
Huh?
You like that?
Yeah, not bad. I can just ride it down the road. Where's my mirror?
And it has a 12 volt, 20 amp hour battery with a 180 watt electric motor. It'll go up to 3.75 miles an hour. So is it easy?
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. Mother approved.